Oxalic acid offers an effective and targeted solution for combating the pervasive threat of varroa mites that can jeopardize the health of bee colonies. Oxalic acid sublimation uses oxalic acid dihydrate crystals to create a targeted vapor that combats these harmful mites. Let's delve into the simple yet vital steps of this process, accompanied by essential safety measures. First, prepare your hive by blocking off the front entrance and sealing the hive's back to ensure no vapor escapes. Equip yourself with safety gear, a mask, goggles, and heat-resistant gloves. Measure the recommended amount of oxalic acid dihydrate crystals into the provided bowl. Connect your sublimator wand to a power source like a battery with an inverter. Safety first. Ensure you're fully protected before proceeding. Position the sublimator wand over the bowl to create a seal. Turn on the sublimator wand and let it reach the required temperature. Gently insert the sublimator nozzle into the hive's entrance to release the vapor and set your timer. Keep the hive sealed for the regionally recommended time to ensure full exposure to oxalic acid gas. Once you've treated your hive, ensure proper ventilation by unblocking upper entrances and waiting for 10 to 15 minutes if planning on reapplying entrance reducers. After treatment, be sure to assess your effectiveness by observing mite counts using sampling strategies. Remember, safety is paramount. Read and understand the product safety information, wear the necessary protective gear, and store oxalic acid properly.